Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SSL renewals with Certbot on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal and connect to your VPS using SSH. Enter the command SSH your username at your server IP to establish a connection. Once connected, check the installed version of Certbot with the command Certbot version. If Certbot is not installed, you can install it with your package manager. For Ubuntu or Debian, use sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install Certbot. For CentOS, use sudo yum install Certbot. Next, ensure your system's package repository is up to date. Run sudo apt-get update or sudo yum check update, depending on your operating system. Once your system is updated, check the current SSL certificates by typing sudo certbot certificates. Review the output, paying attention to the expiration dates. If your SSL certificates are about to expire, it's time for a renewal. To renew all certificates, use the command sudo certbot renew. Certbot will check the certificates and renew any that are nearing expiration. If you want to test the renewal process, add the dry run option. Use the command sudo certbot renew dry run to simulate the renewal. After the renewal, you may need to reload your web server. For example, use sudo systemcll reload nginx for nginx. If you're using Apache, the command is sudo systemcll reload apache 2. To confirm the renewal was successful, check the certificates again with sudo certbot certificates. Verify that the expiration dates have been updated. Finally, set up a cron job to automate the renewal process. Open the crontab file by typing sudo crontab e. Add the line 0*/12** certbot renew quiet to run the renewal twice a day. Save and close the crontab file. Your SSL certificates are now set to renew automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.